Hey Professor, I've been working on this all week and I hope I finally got it. I took the lesson I learned in approaching problem solving and walked away from this several times. From walking away from it, I couldn't figure out why I did well in the homework and felt comfortable when I approached the test. I didn't do as hot, as you can see here. My answers were off by a few decimals, and I guess with the timer on the test, I felt a little rattled and careless. A few things in this class I remember from high school, but there were a lot of other things like APR and APY and overall using percentages and decimals in the real world. These lessons helped me understand my own student loans and credit cards. I can go right here just to review it. The first time I took the exam, I didn't even complete it. I saw what I did wrong, as you can see from the review here. If it comes up, it's not coming. There. So from the second one, I was able to approach it a little bit easier, and through all this, you can see that I did relatively decent, except when it came to here, which I thought I had gotten pretty straight through using the formula. As you can see, I'm off by a few decimals, and I think that was either through careless mistakes or just maybe I didn't understand it as well as I did. 7.23, 7.25 is just, it's a little frustrating to see that. Again, with this, I was just way off. I think I didn't understand the question as well as I thought I did, and I came up with this number instead of that one. And yeah, I think that I can do better. I think that taking the test the first time around, I guess I wasn't sure what to expect, and seeing this for what it became from the second test, didn't do so hot. Here it is. It finally came up. So as you can see, I got some of these questions correctly the last time, and in the main test I didn't do it too well. So a little disappointed. I guess my assessment of this is I understand the work, but I guess I just have to be less careless when approaching the test. As you can see from the scores, it took me relatively the same time. But I didn't do as well as I was hoping for. And that's why I asked about the partial credit, but I understand that that's not how it works, and so on and so forth. But I do enjoy using my math lab. I think it's pretty cool that I can use a computer as well as my cell phone. They have an app with the textbook, so I'm able to download that and review it on the go if, let's say, I don't have Wi-Fi where I'm going. And I can continue on reading the chapters and not have to worry about how it will affect my time management. That's my assessment for the first portion of the class. I hope this is what you were looking for, and thank you for your time. I hope I do better the next time around.